Why, if you're gonna be smoking publicly, you're gonna get arrested. You're gonna get a fine. Why, if you're gonna see selling cigarette publicly, you're gonna get arrested. You must get cigarette a shop right or a garage.
Pamela la kwakho uyangithola into ukuthi
Yabatshela vele.
feel if it wasn't for them to go and do much and much so whatsoever the kuba angatholekalanga ilento zakhe umazi but
Wona iza ku Google
about drink and drive boy in
le percentage lena.
Sure ukuthi uzikali.
Wazi ukuthi mina ngidakwa i25%. If
Sure.
ngidakwa i25% then it means kumele ngiphuze 5. Right.
Right. Ngiyangithola. See like example.
Yeah. So late.
Bhema intsango yokuvulela eminyango kuzinto eziningi. I don't know if you understand na. Angithi as
Bathi workers day marabaye emsebenzini ngala la.
ngibize wrong. Sorry, my apologies guys.
Shokuthi
foreigner brothers.
the foreign shokuthi sibona sifundise yikhotha kuya ngayo. Angathi ngoba abozulu abakhothi acabanga ukuthi wonke ama
mina into engifuna ukuyi-understand ngisobuya lapha
Yeah.
wena mawukhuluma ngokukhotha ukhuluma ngayiphi wena kulezi
phela la yena ukhuluma ngokuthi indoda iyaguqa ikhotha intombi phela. Mama uphatha mawulakhela lesa snake lapha phambili nawo sibhema usho ukuthi nawo mawubhema nabo.
sure that's why shayela bonzana shayela bonzana
Uthini wena manje ngitheyeza manje ngifuna ukukhuluma yikani.
ushayela banzana
Ibe ngishaye zange ngerolo lechi. Bazongisokela.
kodwa umachine ngiyakuzisebenzele kodwa
Yeah.
usebenzisa
AI. Mina bengitest sound yena ishaye zange ngenzeni mina. You are free to welcome back to njengomgogo ke we are back. Just like not your stepfather, not your father, Bafethu, we are back. We are here. Hashtag Facts and laughs, Bafethu.
ungenwe yini namhlanje
angikhumbulisi la ha yazi bafethu this is a host ke ayena kana la madi ya mna msipidi khacha mapula la masa khacha pisi kana na boy ke mokale pheko se so nka se kisa ke nna kona ke khala ka mdine matepe sa mtya ke mo ramphela la makha go sekolo sa metse le mogale aje ke mo rampa ka marapa tshukuja ka peo ka pichete a ke tshaba ditikelo ba ka compana kwa
vamakwerhu ndzamba mayimala ndzumba xidzuvani manyika yimbita xichava kuphama xidzuvani marhaki ya xona vamakwerhu this is your boy Mathaming ndoto yibiza namhla ifike kusasa umali mindima angacedi hayi asibona
abasho bafethu mali mindima ayiwohlwane bafethu emngwana awusibona
injani
yeah
otherwise umngani wami how was your week how's you actually
nangishapo nje nangazi ngizwa ngawe wena how was you
nawe lo hayi
yeah
ngishapo nje engathi nje uyaphoceleka ukuba sharp awukho sharp nje
omele ngithi ngishap
hayi sharp sharp hayi mina bebe ngishap ngiphashashi ngisweet yabona ya
wena ungidlulele usharp uphasha usweet futhi ngiphezu kweloko uze bani ukuthi usweet
no ngithe angizange ngathi ngimnandi ngithi
usweet uze bani ukuthi usweet iquestion kisibuzo
no bengisasho ukuthi I had a great week
uze bani ukuthi usweet we
bengisasho ukuthi
uze bani Manje ubaleka ngeqiniso.
Hayi ngishapu bahlali yabona.
La manje ngehanja la.
Ngishapu. Today the way I placed the I'm ashamed of myself. I am shameful.
You are ashamed of yourself.
I'm ashamed to publish that I am isilungu sehala ukuthi yimi engifake le other idea ngiyaba kanje yeah ezingisasho
press record
yeah ezingisasho ukuthi udla kamnandi
amasimba yahamba bona bengathi ngiyengwake la podcast bafuna ukuphanga lawo awufuna ukuthi wake ngabe abantu bakubhekile
ayapi
emala esiswini ngicabanga ukuthi angayapi
yeah hamba okay
yewena
yeah I had a great week actually I was doing something I love all the week, not all the week actually. I had a gig Monday and Friday.
Oh
yeah, I had a gig doing something I love with my heart, you see. Yeah, expressing
well with your heart for ungasitshelo wena usitshelo ukuthi we were doing something you love with your heart for plus naye abantu bayithatha ngenhliziyo yonke.
I was on Monday I was performing drama at Ivory.
Oh,
on Friday I was at Dipsloot, yeah.
Oh, what was? Hayi. Nanalo kuzanya man.
Yeah, so I was doing something I love, drama, acting, see. Yeah. Something with mama mangayenzanga I feel sick.
Oh.
Yes,
So-
you can take it as you can receive it as you like. I sick or sick. You see, yeah. You
So because of when we are sick every day, show to you always not doing it. No, but always. Akisibuza.
No, that's why you can take it as you can receive it as you want to.
Oh,
Mina ngithi ukugula.
as long as ugula wena.
Ukugula
khona
inside
uyagula.
ngifila ukuthi like kunento eshodayo.
Mara
Ngithola
ukugula
ngayenza.
So
Ukugula kuphi?
angazi Langton angazi uzokutangala angazi angibona wena ukuthi mina ngithathe dewe ngithi la khona kunokusika lokusika kunokusika lokusika so mara kusalayo kunokusika la ukusika ona yasika mara kuye ukuthi mina ngithathe kanjani
That's why ngithi mina mangayenzanga lento.
Uyasika.
Kunokugula khona. Wena ungakuthatha the way
uyebona mara ukugula khona kukhona mongayenza
kuphi. Yeah, mangayenza. Angibambile nashayi. Hayi ongibambile.
hayi
Ay. Yeah, bosa wengathi bosifuna ukusho something.
ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi idrama yini it was all about what
Eish.
yeah
With first one it was a for ngayibe kanjani. Bengazi ukuthi ngiyoperforma bengiya kuma Razor leba. So mangifika lapha we were our director asitshela ukuthi sihlanganiseni something eyedentuzana a Freedom Day, hence it was a Freedom Day. Yabona.
for first one it was Freedom Day
Yes, the first one. Okay, sorry. Oh, okay. First one it was Freedom Day. Second one it was for Workers' Day.
oh
Yeah.
bathi workers day mara baye emsebenzini ngalela langa awu
No, angithi aye na Workers' Day it's a holiday.
ngiyakala mina hawu joke ngiyazi ukuthi holiday
Yeah, ngiyazi ukuthi uyazi ukuthi
Mara-
holiday.
mara
Uyazi
Workers' Day-
wazi mina engqondweni nami kufikeni. Ukufika ukuthi mhlambe le tsotsi le ifuna ukungicheck ukuthi ngazini ngeWorkers' Day yabona.
Hayi.
That's why ngiyakuthola.
mara bangamalanga babize nge-workers day okumele kisibathi workers day holiday bayifake le holiday ibe khona lapha egameni bangathi workers day phela workers day kumele sonke sibe active semsebenzini workers day ngalelo langa i-national high day siyabhema sonke ama-joint esingawazi ukuthi abuye yaphi 10 joint ngelanga siba high siyaqhonya ayithola lento ngikhulumayo so ne-workers day kumele sisebenze
Aye.
Hola. Hola.
Ayikutara mpilo mhlawumbe. Ngama national.
Ngikhohliwe lelanga lelo mara ngizolibona today ngiyazi ngizolibona ku Facebook today kuyini.
lokubhema intsangu
Giant after giant. Intsangu important emhlabeni.
okay important but it's not healthy.
Hayi nakho health ngikutshelile ngithi. Kanti ngicabanga ukuthi mawubhema wena we health.
But yazi we had a conversation with some guys and safika la ukuthi sikhuluma ngintsangu athi lama ngifuna uclarify right ngifuna uclarify athi mawubhema intsangu kushuthi kuna laba abasikini bakudala abokhokho bakho ababalwa bebabhema intsangu uyangithola hence nawe mayokuphatha kahle intsangu maybe mawebhema ungalentuzana ingakuphathi rough ikuphatha kahle kushuthi nabo bayayivuma lento kushuthi ikhona la e-bloodline yasemndenini. How true is that?
Ngamanye amagama ufuna ukuthi intsangu is spiritual.
Yeah, we went that deep about weed.
Uringivar nesangoma kunasangoma I don't think ukuthi kunesangoma singanantsango endombeni yakhe. Yena uringivar.
We went that let's not talk about weed and we went that deep ukuthi like hence we were talking some other day ukuthi weed mawuyibhare izokuyenza ibhari more mawuyiclever izokuyenza iclever more ukuthi kunabanye mawubhema intsangu yokuvulela eminyango kuzinto eziningi. I don't know if you understand na angithi ezingisasho ngibona ke yakho understand this angithi sishilo ukuthi intsangu abokhokho bakho mawubhema intsangu kushuthi mawuphatha kahle bavumile abokhokho bakho kushuthi iyangithola le ntsango le yangithi spiritual nayo mawuyibhema like kunezinto ezivulekayo spiritually.
Through ukuthi nabo bayibhema.
Sure, my spiritually nayo iyakuvulela.
Ngamanye amagama asho ukuthi kufana nokuthi like angithi mama uphaka like lesa snake lapha phambili nawo spam kusho ukuthi nawo mawubhema nabo.
Sure, that's why hence wena example wena it's wena futhi bakhuluma nawe kamnandi abaphansi bakini example aye uyangithola because wena bhemela la kwakho uyangithola into ukuthi
ngabatshela ve
uzirevealile mina ngithi example
uthi ngibhemela la kwami mina ngisirevealile mina ngitenya bhem
ngithi example
bache ukuleke
no
país
mina ngikhuluma ngeexample ngithi example yeah to proceed like example
yeah so late wasafaka for example so late
angithi ngifuna ukuyiclarify yeah ngiyabona ubhemela intsango no I see
yeah ngibhemela intsango la nje
masingayi continue nge-example le ngeke ngeke ngicede explain. Okay, example umjida umuntu
yeah obhemela insango endlini
makabhemela insango not endlini specifically but
Oh,
ejaradini
ejaradini.
kibo
Oh.
la ukuthi usekini bakini bala okhona
yeah
uyangithola like mawubhema like zivuleka kahle ngoba urelaxile uyiwani engathi ukhuluma nabo izinto ezikanjalo obvious angithi mawubhema you think izinto ezikanjalo nezinto ozifunayo izinto ezikanjalo it's like you are talking to them izinto ezikanjalo uyangithola yeah
even protection
even protection isn't. Yeah, that's why but it works spiritually insango it works spiritually.
yona insango is even medicine iyalapha i-cancer iyalapha iyinenye futhi nangikhokhe ukuthi mara ayikho healthy mawuyibhema because bayenza bona ine sort of medicine bese uyayiphuza you understand not ukuthi uyibheme
True that.
ba kuyibhema
No, angithi masisho kayi we are not promoting ukuthi abantu babhema insango. We are saying ukuthi ngithi please clarify this one for me.
oh
We are having a conversation.
not ukuthi mara mababhema ba right ngcono rather than ukuthi uphuze bhema
Unephuzo nabafona.
ngizobathi ugwaye if you're gonna be smoking publicly you're gonna get arrested you're gonna get a fine ugwaye uzodura if you're gonna see selling cigarette publicly you're gonna get arrested you must get cigarette a shop right or a garage not go my friend if you get it to my friend is gonna get arrested and then if you smoke in front of someone public and then lo muntu lowo wale complain ukuthi ubhemela in front of them and it is not held you're gonna get arrested.
I think that is fair. But smoking in front of people, it's fair. No. What I'm trying to say, ane ukuthi what into abayishoyo ukuthi smoking in front of people bazokubopha. It's fair. Ngoba abanye abantu babana as sabantu we don't have same conditions. Abanye abantu banama asthma banama in so bayaba eziyaba affecta izinto ezikanjalo mawufuna ukubhema thenga ugwayi wakho uyobhema endlini or uyobhema somewhere yeah wena ngithi ubhemele wena hence notshwala I feel engathi kwamele kube kanjalo modwa ukudakwa like uphuze no what ngithini kanti
uphuzele endlini
inokuphuzela uphuzela endlini nakhona utshwala kwamelanga uphuze yonke into man like uphuza hafunyana ube kuzobuza
manje utshela idakwa sekugcina
ayanghleka serious but masingabuya kulento le utshwa mongacheka utshwala emuva bawona ama percentage wow awafani and lezi zinto abazibhalela lapha emuva lapha abazibhalanga for mahali bazibhalile for a reason
kuthi uzikala
bo do not drink and drive abo in
nene le percentage lena
sure ukuthi uzikali
uwazi ukuthi mina ngidakwa i-25% if ngidakwa i-25% then it means kumele ngiphuze 5 right
ngiright ngiyamthola wena mawuthi example makuyi 5% kuthi udakwa yi 3%, phuza ihalf ubeke le.
ngani nyamona zikathi ay 1% manje akakafiki ku 3 dena le part ya manje 3%
abeke aphuze ka mara serious hence besikhuluma ukuthi utshwala buyadingeka emzimbeni. Lento leya just abantu sebaye overdo yangithola
abasho ukuthi bayisidawa.
Phuza leyo 5% leyo 10% urelax nje
You
kuphela.
can even take this glass of wine after 3 years is fine. Abasho ukuthi wena phuza every weekend uthi utshwala buyadingeka. Emzimbeni uniyadakwa every Christmas uthi udakwa beja
Example endlini zabantu abanemali, ungafika umuntu wakhona uthola ukuthi akaphuzi, mara ungathola banala makhabethe lawa amahle lawa nama amawine amaningi amatshwala amaningi different elebuhamba nga 1 lezi zinto leza uyazi ukuthi unovela athi cha kancane uyangithola le, ngoba uyazi futhi ngeke umthole avela aqove athele aphuze, uyaqala afunda ama ingredients. Ngiyakutshela
umuntu ophuzayo uyaqala aphuza adakwa base kadakiwe khona azocala ayibheke.
Exactly. Here's a joke for you as a comedian. Abantu aba rich mabaphuza utshwala, they start bayaqala bayibheke ama ingredients bafunde, then they pour and drink. Abantu abasemalokishini abaphuwa mabaphuza utshwala bayabuphuza mabaqeda ukudakwa bayenze lento oyenzayo.
Kunama ingredients la
Uyenza ubheka noni lapho
lentele into ngiphuza la yavaya spal emofaya mayichisa yavaya ni ele original
iyaphi kanti
esizini. Yasinze sifikile singenanga kuma topic kumnandi ne siyazenzela abekho abafazi bafethu niyazi ngoba ngekho abafazi laba be podcast be facts and labs niyazi ukuthi they are too busy bafethu futhi these days there's no need ukuthi explain it because you know how
ukuthi everyone is always busy or everyone is always in need of money, so don't
Paired.
yeah
don't what
don't
we wanted le video le kanti yini ngale phone male phone mayengafuni yeke man le hamba nongize batho bani
Ufundisa amantombazana akithi ukuthi kukhothwa into ongafanele ikhothwe enento yakhona okufanele ingene khona bese kuthiwa wena uyindoda. Indoda kayiguqi indoda iguqe endaweni eziwu2 kuphela, iguqa mhla ixolisa iguqe phambi kwenkosi, ayiguqele enye into indoda. Bese kuthiwa kufundiswa amadoda ukuthi awaguqe amadoda aguqe angene endaweni la kuphuma khona wonke udoti ophethe umzimba kuthi indoda izongena khona. Bese nithi nina amakwekwana nothando kanti ingoba nina qobo imizimba yena ayisasebenzi nifuna ukumunqwa njengeyingcenga. Asizukuyenza ke thina lento futhi sihamba nekwelekwele lakho ngeke sikuthini.
Beijing ayika and uyazi where I into enginotisile ne mongaphila namazula ne, you will notice ukuthi lento abayikhulumayo is not ukuthi bona bayathuka, it's the way they are.
into engakutshela yona yisa le mic le yeah
Wangizwakala
hey uzokala kude
Oh, mina ngithi ngiyazizwa yazi.
Oh,
Mina ngithi ngiyazizwa.
angithi ukhuluma uzizwa asawubona ngathi yazisa.
Oh, uyangizwa manje.
Yeah.
Yeah, is the way they are. Uyangithola the way bakhuluma ngakhona. And uyabona once you uba around bona.
You will understand.
Yeah, you'll understand and enjoy.
Exactly.
The way yeah, ukuba nabo like enjoy their company izinto ezikanjalo.
Umsunu ositabane le into bakhuluma ngakhona.
But I caught what? It's
khotha ikhakhela.
Hayi la.
Oh, lethi ikhothani mabahamba bafiseke la. Yazi. Umangazayo ne. Kusho ukuthi bonke labantu bala. Especially ubaba Ngizwe. The way abheke lamjida ngakhona. Ungeze wekhothile ngiyakutshela wena. Bonke labantu abalozo ukuthi abakhothanga la. Kusho abanye abangela ukuthi hey uthini ubafo? Uthini uphakela ukhuluma ukukhotha?
ukuthi ukhothwe into ongafanele ikhothwe enento yakhona okufanele ingene khona bese kuthiwa wena uyindoda.
Yezwa amu.
Indoda endaweni esuthi polisa iguqe phambi kwenkosi.
Hayi cha.
Ungizwe lentshebe ngithi abanye abantu babangene sifana. Bafuna ukuthi le uthithile singakhotha. Manje ukhotha.
Ngoba nina qobo.
So into engifuna ukuyi-understand la mngani wami. Lo muntu ingamuza ukuthi amakorekore kwamele acoshe like ukhuluma nabubani lapha like ukhuluma ngani
like lathi into like besayikhuluma kwenye group ukuthi manje because of badila ngokuthi they must go. Ukukhothana manje kungenapho ngoba nathi singamapili siyakhotha. Siyathanda kwikhotha futhi thina. Mina ngingathi thina mina ngiyathanda. Ngiyathanda kwikhotha futhi akunamahloni. Ngisana la kukhaba loncatheka ugwayi or entsango. Ngisana kuncatheka kwekhotha leyo msopho nyana lo ya like
awungitshela. Lo muntu la ukhuluma ngokukhotha ikwerekwere noma ukhothe nje.
Nakusho ukuthi kuya ngaye lamakwere I don't like that way man noma ngingabathanda but I don't like. Kuya ngaye kusho ukuthi
nami ngibize wrong. Sorry, my apologies guys.
Kusho ukuthi
foreigner brothers.
The foreign kusho ukuthi sibona sifundise ukukhotha kuya ngaye. Angathi ngoba abozulu abakhothi acabanga ukuthi wonke ama
mina into engifuna ukuyi-understand ngisobuya lapha ya.
Yeah.
Wena mawukhuluma ngokukhotha ukhuluma ngayiphi wena kulezi
phela la yena ukhuluma ngokuthi indoda iyaguqa ikhotha intombi phela uyizwa wena.
Oh.
Indoda iyaguqa ikhotha intombi thina indoda futhi ayiguqi iguqa uma icolisa kuphela or phambi kwenkosi kuphela ayiguqeli ukukhotha hambana lemsizo wena futhi shokuthi thina isifundise lamantombazana ngale ukukhotha.
So ukuya ngayo bafo kushuthi akwamelanga like ukukhotha.
Cabanga. Singayikhothi thina. Ngincane ukuthi thina kayikhothi.
Yazi this ngisaba nokukhuluma ezinye izinto yazi.
Yeah.
Lama podcast abukela wabo mamncane bethu.
Sisemsebenzini bazo understand.
Ukangihlasela lapha ekhaya sorry ngathi sa off ramp.
So friend.
Ukangihlasela lapha ekhaya lapha sikhuluma ngokusela amasoli. Uthi wena ayey ulentuzana. Ayi statement sakhe sihlangana. Ekuceleni uyavuma ukuthi amasola yathengisa. Ekugcineni uyahala. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi mina bengingafuni ukukhuluma ngayo lento uyangifostela. Ngoba maye sokhuluma ngokukhotha afike lapha ya. Athi wena umuntu ayey ngiyakhotha nje.
Wala lokuna ayele uri wayikhotha. Wayifika la endlini awikhotha.
Hey. Kodwa cha ubafo ubhuti ngapha ngicabanga ukuthi
uphakela.
hayi izandla zidlula ekhanda cha
Awuphekela lo.
iphuzu lakhe alihlele kahle alihlele kahle mhlambe makakhumbula ukuthi masabantu asifani makakhulume esayidini lakhe or esayidini labo uyabona
Ukufika amazulu wonke angayikhoti ngithi ngiziyekhotha ngibona the way amangale ngakhona lapha ungizithanda izinto sibani ngiyakutshela ngithi ngisho usho lethi mabayithengise ngiyayikho leyo
lezi zinto lezi esikhuluma ngazo la ethi ngiyibeka bathi zimnandi ukudlula isex yebo
izinto esikhuluma ngazo
i-blowjob
angithi mara is part of sex ungathi zimnandi ukudlula isex
sorry zimnandi ukudlula ukuyifaka phakathi
ya soza ngegwamo manje
ngithe batha ngithi ngiyayihloniphisa ngiyibeka kanje awu Google angigoogle nayibhala umuntu ayibhala ngumuntu
sai wona uyisa ku Google lento
so bengisasho la mina ukuthi hayi cha ubhuti
ala specs usasho soyachinja nathi usasho ukuthini
no ezibengisasho ukuthi ubhuti la ipoint lakho engathi alihleli kahle yabona makayibeke ukuthi mhlambe yena esayidini lakhe mhlambe or esayidini labo uyabona bona abayithandi yabona noma isiko la mhlambe mokuya ngosiko lwabo mhlambe
angalezi usakhuluma ngosiko
inkinga ngede wothene ngakhona ne
uzonto ukuthi njengoba maybe izinto zethu singekho right kanje ukuthi maybe thina siyakhotha bese sihamba sikhuluma namadlozi emsamo ngalona lomlomo lo ekhothile
mhlawumbe kungayenza ngoba
mara hayi bebangayikhothi bona
no hence kunalento lokuthi mawulalana nelentuzana ngithi kunamemoya ethanda
spiritual isiphuma ibathini le moya lesiphuma from ibathini inkaba when you penetrate
sure
lento le data is so important
sure. So khotha ngeke kuphazamise emsamo
khotha hayi mayenza iplastic futhi ngibone iplayer video ngathi ngisevile
plastic
ukukhotha wena ngiyakutshela nasi yo madoda phone yami yo
ikanjani webot
iphela aha hayi ushilo ukuthi lento lesibheka abantu abadala yabona soze sabe sokukhuluma manje Asekhangana nami le strategy bathina.
No, ushilo ukuthi sisemsebenzini. Kubeka isifuna
ngibone phela ngazi ukuthi ngibone player video yazi. Mara ngisho ukuthi la ngibone khona ngifaka kuma favorite. Because la iPhone ini bengekho. Ngizokufundela yona next week.
For sure uTemu lo thengisa.
Yeah. Ngaze ngafuna manje yaze ngathi khap inkinga yasala ukukhuluma nobani
so ngizosala ngikhuluma nabantu bami lo
yeah
bengisafuna ukubuza so le plastic leli it's like a condom yokumafa
kusho khona so usho ukuthi ku-dangerous ukumafa somehow baze bayenzele i-plastic.
Yeah, kusho ukuthi but yeah ku-dangerous nakhona remember but remember ibheng thini ku-dangerous remember aye laphaya phansi laphaya kuvela ama-period pain
But ngaleso sikhathi lo muntu uzoba ngekho ama-period. Hence uyifaka nawe because uzoba ngekho ama-period. Hawu. Kunabanye futhi bayifaka nomuntu asema-period. Unosanyanya ama-period.
Then mawuceda ukufaka osema-periodini kuyenzakalani
Next. Umuntu uzobe usebenzisa i-plastic.
mawusebenzisa isiplastic
Na ungayilanda straight red robot imoto yakho engana insimbi la phambili.
aye cela uphendule sayo ngicela uphendule answer yami
Mangana yawuyenza. Hawu.
mangayenza kuzenzakalani
Obvious STI. I-STI already i-STI ne?
yeah drop
I-STI drop. Or ba include zonke.
i-STI drop drop
Ngiyakubuza ngeke.
okay drop
Zona yona lo
yeah please correct us as if you
aba comment laba kuyafana.
no they will comment my people I know my people
So
they will comment
Thengele cold drink lo nga comment.
uzongithanga ko drink
Ngizomu thengele cold drink lo wanga comment.
no angithi ngeke
Ngizomu thengele cold drink.
izasiyenza so angithi wena uthi abantu bakhaba comment
Ngitheba mina ngithi labantu lapho.
Okay uthi labantu labo
La kunabantu bakho kunabantu bakho.
no ikanje uthi labantu labo ba comment okay mina ngithi
Baza comment.
abambona bazo comment
Lo ozo comment ngizomthengela cold drink.
no ngoba izwa
Wena ngeke khohla ungayi lapha.
okay ozo commenta kuthi uzolanda cold drink yakhe
Yeah.
yeah
So mi interview ahlale la azophuza la cold drink nathi.
and thina awuhambi la ayipheli 30 minutes ungayicedanga le cold drink
Kumele ashaye kom.
2 liters ngithi
Mangayicedanga
and we interview you how
Hey, asiviyele besikhuluma
okay
ngayo.
so yeah besikhuluma
Hey, sisekukhotha. Siyayithanda sex. Ushilo udosini ukuthi la kunokulalana khona sela.
ngifunda ngithi ukufunda ku health as we educate angithi nathi
Sizafunda ukuthi bayikhotha.
Ngiyabona mina bengisabuza angithi besisasela kuma
Hey mara uphakela uvusenye naye. Wazi bathu bani phakela usathana.
phakela sathana
Phakela. Mara bona bayenza umsebenzi. Since we are speaking about abophakela nabo ngize, they've done a great job for Slorus.
for the
For ithing le.
who
Hey,
yini
ifoni le hayi.
yini
Oh. Ayisikho lesa stories bali. For
I do
bathakole
have it.
sibhaliwe or i-video.
It's in let me see
Mina
it's
nayo
in video
Yeah, nami ngine video. Oh, yasasi.
I do know it.
Oh, sithi
We are speaking of this one.
Eh. Maralana beyikhuluma from through indaba.
Forced tourists in Ekurhuleni came to a standstill today as the community used the public holiday to protest against the Forced tourists in Ekurhuleni came to a standstill today as the community used the public holiday to protest against the disappearance of a local spaza shop owner. Tomorrow will mark 1 month since 27-year-old Mazwi Kubeka went missing. Political parties and civil organizations called for the man's safe return. They claim that there was a dispute with the tuck shop that he was renting. It's believed that the previous occupants were Somali nationals who wanted to buy the shop from Kubeka, but he apparently refused. And Kubeka's family believes that that's linked to his disappearance. That's flared tensions between locals and foreigners in the area amid protests against illegal immigration elsewhere in the country. Some protesters claim that suspects have been identified.
It was actually the police that identified. It was two. The first one was a Somali national, and the second one was actually a South African. What we have heard from the family is that they are working together because the South African is the person that goes around and identifies places where these Somalians can come and do business. So all along, they were actually forcing Mazwi to actually sell the tuck shop to them.
Oh, shit.
So before to the questions and whatsoever, they've done a great job about
Ungizwe
Phakamisa uSathane.
uphakamisa uSathane uphakela uSathane
Oh,
man.
sorry.
Batho balo
Askis,
ntombazana
askis.
leyo march and march yo, that beautiful lady, and then also that beautiful lady from bathini leya movement leya yaka, it's similar or it's the same thing
Action
yakankankalax,
SA.
not Action SA.
shout out to
Ngisazombala
also,
na
yeah.
ngisazombala batho balo ntombazana uDudula lo weDudula bebathi she's from Zimbabwe what ngibone bahlangene naye manje na shout out to no ex Xolani lo waku Action SA.
Askis. Then you will proceed. So uphakela uSathane bekathi mawahamba, sorry to call it like this, mawahamba makwerekwere. How was he feeling? Akusuka seZimbabwe bathi.
Bebathi
Oh, Askis, you can proceed.
eh
You can proceed.
no ex no ex Xolani Khumalo uMashobane
So,
Mashobane wara umenga amshamenga ngendaba usho kanjalo makazithakazela
shut up. Uthi wara.
amshamenga ngendaba umntunga uMashobane mshamenga ngiyakutshela ngithi oh
Shout out to them. I feel if it wasn't for them, to go and do
Bamarch.
much and much, so whatsoever, kuba angatholekalanga ilento zabo uMazwi. But the question mark enginayo la ukuthi utholakale kanjani? How did he come back home? Ngithola question enginayo.
ne question enye ukuthi where was he, because mabasasho bathi usasa traumatized, let him recover first and then uzosho. I so think ukuthi maybe sizombona ku one of the podcast, maybe nizombona la asitshela ukuthi kwenzakaleni, what
Sure.
happened
Hey,
kubi cabanga so lo mtshita lo bathi like sho ukuthi le shop yakhe beyina customer, so lamakula yabona ukuthi lo mtshita nama customer bayahamba bathi sithengisele le shop, umtshita lokhala so wabona ukuthi hale
nakhona ezisho ukuthi nama customer kufana ne mawunga-check-a i-supermarket lapha
le
phezulu yayibona ku main road ama customer wonke aya lapha nomuntu nomandlula ngemoto endleleni
Uyama,
amakula nawa la uyangithola
yeah.
sendleleni apublic abonayo noma awavalekanga uyangithola mhlambe nayo izinto ezikanjalo bayabona ukuthi i-opportunity ukuthi singathola imali eningi ngoba lento le ayivalekanga ine open space uyangithola sure izinto ezikanjalo mhlambe bekuyi advantage abanayo le
so wabona ukuthi ngcono simkidnap
sure but
bamkidnap bamenzani then if abambulala
mfethu nakhona ukumbulala it was going to be useless. Do you know why? Ayikho sekibo le shop abakhuluma ngayo.
I'm not sure.
If isekibo, okay, let me put it like this. If isekibo, it was going to be useless.
Why?
Ngoba babazombulala ane unemndeni lo muntu. Uyangithola obvious bayazi ukuthi ulahlekole unyamalele because of what? Because bebafuna ukuyenzani ishop. So ngeke noma ubani noma kubeke ngasuhuye lo muntu ofuna le shop obulele umazwi noma ubani any stranger bebangeke basavuma ngoba bebangeke basabe naleyo trust leyo.
Manje njengoba nyamalele bazoba netrust kanjani mawuzothona uzovula ishop sithi ukhama unyama usize nango uthubana usize ne umazwi unango unyamalele and then wena jikijika after 3 months uzovula ishop uzocela ukuvula ishop
lapha ya that's why ngeke succeed nje indaba yabo ngeke phumelele.
Angithi ngizawonga ukuthi ukumbulala nyeke ku useless ku different ngani because namanje nyeke babe nedade yokuvula ishop because nangu umuntu olahlekile nina neza nithi nifuna ukuvula ishop
bambulala
ngisho ukuthi bambulala nomjita
no ngiyadlalela
so mina into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi like bamenzeni bamkhikinep bamenzani because if uyintombazana bese sothi bamkhikinep bamisa kuma women trafficking ayothengisa umzimba zonke lento leso lamjita lo bamenzeni yena bambeke nje erumini ukuthi angathengisi wonke ama customers ekibo.
Hey, but amakula they don't have such thing.
Baba ungathemba umuntu.
No, nothing ngithi not amakula.
Labantu basenzele ama babasenzela wena ecamereni uzabathemba.
Yeah, nami ngibeke in the wrong way lapha ngizwile. Ngithi bangafika in that extent ukuthi ngoba bona bathole income. I feel like labantu laba they don't care.
Income. Kanjani ke ngoba zele yona lana?
I don't know, but the way bangakhona nabo sometimes I feel ngathi abana mdlandla or ngokuthi sebajwayele ngapho.
Asibacabangeli ilento le uDawson bekakhuluma ngalast ukuthi amakula dangerous ngaza ngasho ngathi kudala aba dangerous just thina besingaboni asingaba sibacabangeni ukubacabangela baba kwazi ukuknepa lo mjita lo ngoba sithe sithengisela le store leso wena wangafuni then ukwenzakalana. Imagine if ngaba bathengisa ibhiya la bathengisa ibhiya kusho khona ukuthi bazomake sure ukuthi lo naye uyawa lo.
Mara singakhozi nalomuntu omnyama ufa.
Hey ingayikhuluma ku podcast. Ilenye into umjita sinenini nyosine yangitshela yona.
Yokuthi
Athi yena bekazosineka lapha ya. Simi athi babulele khortmali layi. Le bhayisintsanga. Ngisineyimani le sakhuluma ngaso angicala ukuza la ahlala khona bathi okay wawubulala usibani bani ngenxa ukuthi nayo ubhayisensa ngifuna ubhayisa yi1
kuphi lapho
lesineyimani le sakhuluma ngaso ngimangele sinini ngithi nyala phaya kusana abantu uthuthile mina ngizitshela ukuthi akusho ukuthi umjita maybe uthole something ahamba la ethembisa emitrend maybe somewhere so mangizo ukuthi ushonile senyabelieve ukuthi usho ukuthi vele yena umjita la bekabhayisensa
kuphi lapho
ngisakutshela bazongidubula nami ngifuna ngofa mina ngisaya kude ngithengi nemoto kanje
but Insango nayo ngeke somehow i-trick insango nayo the way ayenza ngakhona uyenza iwele ngale kuma-drug ya kwengathi sekuyizinto zama-drug ama-inini yabona izinto ezikanjalo but and ayi kanjalo
Yaseke le insango. Kunesikhuluma ngensango.
Yeah.
Bese kufu
They did a great thing to Marshall Marsh and rescue the life of that
of the guy.
of the guy. Tina, the way siyibone ngakhona they rescued him because if they abayenzanga Marshall Marsh abantu laba mhlamba bamkidnapile or abamthathile bangeke bathuke or babe ne pressure ukuthi
asimkhipheni simike na
yabona izinto ezikanjalo
because I think ukuthi babonile ukuthi njengoba lento le iseJoburg obvious bazoza la first Loras mababona ukuthi vele nayi yes but hayi madoda obvious bazoyivusa emithinini lento lokuthi kunomuntu okhanyamalala naye nonyamalala ngenxa ukuthi bafuna bamthengisele istore ngono sivele sithi sivele simambise aphuma before isichuma bavele bathi nangu.
Another thing, imagine much lento eyenzile yazi thini ithe izitolo zase amakula wonke ayovalwa
Dayideng kunenyi
eFosloras
hayi eFosloras angazi ukuthi yona lena le ishoyo but kunenyi Dayideng madoda kanti mina wayengasendi zonke izinto mara
and ngizwile bathi abongizi bayeza ngapha eThembisa mabazo madoda
hayi ukuthi bayeza eThembisa ngibona ipost yena ngisendanga la ngibona ipost la ithi lapha ku Facebook ithi eThembisa angazi ukuthi ngingakhohliwe man ithi bazovala by zonke itolo public store wazi ukuthi wona iforeigner umngane wato uyavala abanye bathi ngene ngishite nama comment mfethu abanye ama comment athi manje ngicabanga ukuthi nina niyophila kanjani nje yazi nginyanya njani ayi abanye ama comment athi manje ngicabanga ukuthi niyophila njani without amakula na omunye umuntu umjita athi ejo uthe first uthe Soweto nani na we are living 3 years now without amakula emakhoneni nisiphila kahle nobani nathi kuphi we are living without amakula more than 5 years manje siphila kahle without bona athi wena manje wena ufuna ukuthi uncamela ukuthi uthenge lama tin fish wabo laba zenzela wona kunokuthi uye boxa khona la hawo
khona kuphi
khona lo eclinic
for thina kukhona la but for but okay to make it quicker and shorter kukhona la yabona but for abantu abadala
abakasi athi abantu abadala abanabantwana
but kunabanye ngithi
abanabantwana wangayo emakhaya tangazaka Itanga zakhe sile emakhaya.
So you think it ngaba ilento za why ngingiza these days vele
I'm 2 years JS
ane I think abo lento za nabongizwe mabangaza i-match and match mayingaza lapha eThembisa ivale zonke le tolo lezi and see ukuthi singa survive sikele ukuzwa ngabantu ukuthi ba survive kuphi kuba survive thina sizibonelo ngokuthi experience and experience ukuthi singa survive ngezinto ezikanye sizijwayeze nokuzijwayeza
bazoza bayophelela bowini la abantu laba basusa le bazobalekela ngapha into engiyazi thina enkasi lethu
ngapha around Galfontein ne
thina lasilungile ngazi why anilungile man
so yes exclude manje
angwila mina ngibele mpopho how much
ngiyatholakala
Isibala wazanga ngetopic today cabanga ngo 56 minutes azange wathi
kunani enye itsotsi yalapha lentuza let me start by saying this guys nina bama Uber actually if you know you are a businessman or woman or young business une business actually yokuthi yemoto or bikes or in guys make sure lo muntu omcashayo you go and make a background research, a proper background research, guys. Proper umazi nokuthi uhlalaphi ubuyaphi guys. Nasemakhaya it's important. Very important. Please. Ngisasho. 45.
Oh, khona
La.
oh
Ayikuthi la.
45
David. Kunenye athi actually ngathi ngikhohle igama la. Let me remind myself his name. Babamu balekele ikuta le not bole bamcashile for ukuthi a travel ikuta lezokudeliver yasibona. Yeah, then disappear
ngesikoti bese ngana track or wayikhipile na
oyi disconnected. That's why it's important ukuthi you do umngane kanjani
wangale ngaphange wabumngane angithi bavakashile ngapha bazohamba
ay engathi kusumngani ayumngani lo yafo mangimbhekile la ebusweni ne that's why ngithi ngicela
suspect
le suspect ngicela ukuzikhumbuza igama lakhe nayi suspect
umngani lo yambona
yeah that's why ngithi mangimbhekile
lo yambona kusumngani lokuthi ube umaZimbabwe show umakhongorian or Nigerian
yeah ungikhomboze grand Malawian
ya uzingithi akusulo wakusube iskin saseZimbabwe yasibona
ukhomba mina ngikoni oko ukuthi ngikhombile there's no need ukuthi ngibone ukuthi ngizwa ngevoice ukuthi hayi ngikhonjiwe la hayi angibuye eZimbabwe a 35-year-old Malawian national Rufeyo Muhammad was hired to operate a motorbike, a red big boy with registration number MY04HWGP. Muhammad has vanished since Friday 24 April 2026 and the track device has been disabled from the motorbike. A case has been registered with Oliphantfontein Subs. Anyone who might have information may contact 06 etc. Oh, you want okay. Sorry. Angithi ngivele ngabona ukuthi bazoyipaste this.
Oh ngeke. Oh shole post le mara hey funda yonke lento ibona yapha.
Okay. It's 086 00 10111 or 112 from a mobile phone. The owner has pledged to a reward. Or gonna reward, guys. If you find this Malawian guy or motorbike with a number plate of MY04 HWGP, you'll get a reward. We don't know yet how touchable is the reward, but if you want the reward, please find this guy.
Akapalanga mali ukuthi malini reward.
You'll get a reward.
Ubhale kanjalo akapalanga ukuthi malini or ini. Oh uyahla. Ukumilasho lapho ukuthi 10,000 or 5,000 sibe nomfutho. Manje wadifinyo thola umuntu lapho dangerous bese unga 500 lemjidi. Mara you'll get the reward.
Yeah, angithi momo contact la ma number phone lawa. Yeah, uzokutshela ukuthi izinto ezikanjalo yabona. Sure. Nakhona ni mabathi you'll get nakhona ngisibone ku where did I see this? Nakhona online. No, lento engifuna ukuyikhuluma manje kona la ngifuna ngiyibone kwayo. Mabathi uthole reward It's not like they give you more information, they gave you full reward manje. Mhlawumbe bakugaya half ane mawuthi ne-information, then uma sebayibambile leya suspect bayicedile, then you'll get the full amount.
mangize nayo
Isimple kahle ke
Imali.
lapho. Angithi kuya mina lento engiexplainayo kuya nge-reward. Mhlawumbe mawuthole mabathi i-reward is 10,000, mawuthi wena you know the suspect, who's the suspect,
5,000
you get 5,000 ane.
without it.
No, mawuthole information angithi uzobasendele information yonke into you get your deposit ane. Then mawucedile mabacedile ukumbamba leya suspect leya yonke into hambe egrand, you get your full
amount.
yes.
Nomtshita lo le story lesi ukusendele sona live wena or usithele somewhere.
No, ngishilo umngalo ukuthi angisakhumbula ukuthi ngiyibone ku scandal, hence iphela shem scandal sabantu.
Iskandali.
Siyaphela iskandal.
So lo mtshita lo 45 lento lo uyibona makuphela iskandali.
No, lento engiyishoyo ukuthi reward. Bengikhuluma nge-reward, manje ngithi besikhuluma nge-reward umngalo wami. Ngithi i-reward ku scandal futhi bebayenzisa
Wena ubona into ase TV ne so iletha ku reality.
Angithi bobuza ukuthi imalini i-reward ethiwa. Ngithi kuyafana noma wazi ukuthi imalini i-reward. It's not like uzoyithola yonke same time e-TV.
Wayisaphi?
But somehow TV is reality aye. Hence
Uyibonephi?
e-TV
Wayisaphi?
aye.
Uyibonephi?
Aye.
Uyibonephi?
Aye.
Uyibonephi?
Size siye deep i-reading i-TV is reality. Hence you learn while you kule story leza abo scandal abo in you learn zonke leza story leza basifakela ukuthi umuntu afunde.
Not
Now,
everything is reality on TV.
Yes, not everything. And nakhona as bazosho ukuthi ngiyathanda ukuyisho lento ukuthi ezisabantu asifani. Nakhona mawubukela lapha mina ngayithatha ngevision yami ukuthi lento le iso wena mawuyibukele na uyithathe ngendlela yakho ukuthi lento iso yikufundise ngendlela yakho nami ngifundise ngendlela yami. Yebo lento enginotisile mina. Yeah.
But mabafaka ama deposit eshakuthi
Hayi mina besikhuluma ngathi wena
Angithi sesiya ku scandal siletha kule mtshita se 45 ukuthi sithole info sky half from sky sibone from scandal. Masiphela. Siceda yini?
Scandal. I don't know but yengathi siyaphela sona. Alleged.
Hayi sona siyaphela ngiyazi nami. Angithi usima uthe irade nyabo eBlair. Amsuwa. Uthi camera yabo eBlair. Uthi babheke TV ni Blair ngathi ubheke ku YouTube ngathi babheke thina ku YouTube.
TV njani la ibhekayo?
Asazi. Mamsuwile.
Wena moyibheke.
Angisiki scandal.
Askisi.
Funa abangisuwe. Nina niyangiza ngithi mamsuwile bese sangibuza ukuthi wena mawubhekile.
No, inkinga ngidasaya ngokubuza ukuthi
manje bocaba ukuthi bengizokhuluma iqiniso nana ngoba ngaba iBlair bengizokhuluma iqiniso uzwa ngithi basuwe umuntu.
Kodwa nkosi yami ubublame asingabuyela asiyekeni le ndaba. Asiyekeni nkosi yami ngoba mina esayidini lamane ngifile engathi
right usimo yakhaya
usisima
akagcoka ama specs
engathi uyagcoka ne mhlambe banga akagcoki asibuye ngizoba nale point la masibuye la ama specs
ama spectacles
sure makawagcoka
angithola ukuthi makathi kunabanye abantu mabakagcoka ngama specs like uba kanje mafuna ubheka lento le yale
ngiyatholakala
Ngiyithola.
Ngiyatholakala.
Ngiyathola ukuthi bengangabhekanga any TV yakhe ile shame umntana abantu.
Yeah, but lento le ayisho ukuthi ilentuzane player ayishema cha.
Yama.
Ayi ngihambisana nayo mina.
Kori TV yakhe angithama TV awafani.
Awafani sure.
Eh.
Yeah.
Woyibona. Ukumela ye next door wabheka. Kuthi uyinjani?
No. No.
Nakhona njengoba basho bathi sometimes if you are on a podcast kanje kunezinye izinto you must limit yourself.
Yeah.
Akumelanga ngikhulume nawe lana isifi sihleli lapha siyabhema siyakhuluma nje no.
Well, that's why sometimes uzongisola mangingiza kunezinye izinto
Angithola ukwazi ukumove fast engqondo yakho. Kumele uzimove fast.
No, inkinga kunezinye izinto ngiyafuna ukuzisisha ne but sometimes nginokuzisaba ukuthi mangingazisho
Kumele ukuze ungangivisi uthi akungamelanga ngisho bese uze ngelinye igama. Otherwise uloku uthi sikhathi sihamba sine 1 hour. Oh. Cabanga ngikufonele. Sekuvumela inkinga mina nyenye kufonele ngetime wena uwe data. Fonela ngetime bathini ngeWhatsApp.
Baba.
Wena umuntu akufunela ngetime 5 rand wena kunokuthi uthi lento le i-trophy. Uzothi lento le sihlezi sibeke lapha wabona lapha ku podcast la ku TV khona space kuyibeka lapha duze ne camera ngayi kwilifa kuno George ngayi i-trophy kuwelo ithame 5 rand ucabanga ukuthi yo last wena
No, lezo zikanjalo ngizisho mangingayazi igama layo lento bakwazi mangiyazi I shoot straight to the point mangiyazi I shoot straight to the point mangiyazi I shoot straight to the point mangiyazi
wona for sure lezi nazimbhedeni nje mawumele izichame lezi mazichama fast makumele izichame zikhiphe zimenyana izincama sintomazana bese zibisela bakumele uvoice ngathi echama zikhiphe uwe lezi azifele zisidubule straight hayi
No, but abantu abakanjalo usibuyisela ku sex futhi abantu abakanjalo uyazi ngifilani
yeah
ngifila engathi bazama ukulentuzana ukujabulisa intombazana ngakho angithi bathi
chama bese ubuye ngeround 2 umbonise ke le ntombazana
angithi ngiyibeke wrong nami bane
no
self
ukuthi uzothi hayi 2 minutes noodles le
yeah ngithola
iba 2 minutes noodles ngale 1 bathini 1 round mara nge-second round oba 2 minutes noodles sho ukuthi 2 minutes noodles ngempela yakhe
So it's not all everything okwamele uyenzele ilentuzana abocheri ukusatisfy it's not everything okwamele uyenze ukuthi ngiyenzele
satisfy abocheri
sure how about you wena ukusatisfy nawe as umuntu yabo into nakhona what I'm trying to say don't do something ukuthi usatisfy intombazana wena ayijabulisi
uhambe phuza umpeso wabathini amakhathakhatha hamba uphuza bomringa lapha uthi ufuna ukuthi ulastela abantu uyalasta yena
ngazo
yena amantombazana sila amantombazana achama fast achama more than thina mara bafuna ukusijaja thina
ngazo abanye ubhoti athi ingane embiza
yeah athi ingane yembiza or ingane imbiza
ingane embiza
yembiza ene ngisayazi le akutshela ukuthi wena manje lesi ulokhu yazama ukwenza ingane ingane yakhuleka uyisa ngomini ugaya imbizi yaphuza bese uba nengane lengane yakho real esangoma
eish
njengoba thi ingane yembiza uyiphoba le mbiza uyiphele isangoma usho ukuthi ngabe ungasile isangoma ngabe ngabanga nomntwana
ay ya lento eshoyo ayeyi cha asibuyela step by step anje uzobheka kayi alento isho ibuye unokungidida nyana not ukuthi ngiyumdidi cha ukuthi iyangidida kancane nje yabona that uthi uyesangomeni uyethatha imbiza umuthi loyo umuthi nawo lesangoma leyo uyithathe somewhere
asazi maybe ugubhile or wenze uthathe kophuthe azoyimix and into engenza ukuthi isangoma sivele simix umuthi nje siyakhuluma naphansi lokho simixa lapha sigaye ugiye or ugaye sigaye simix sibeke lapha uyazi ukuthi lo kuzalisa lo ibheka mina ngedwa lo yini
sure so but mabu sorry but I feel mina at the end of the day I feel like umntanakhe ngoba ama-specs
ama-spams abuya ku
so yeah ama-specs
mara before lo muthi lo waphuma lama-spams wakho mara ngaproduce
yeah
yona vele according to science angalo umntanakho ama-spams wakho mara mase sibuya ngapha esentweni lo muntu lo gama khathakhatha ayenze uwe ukuthi wena wenza umuntu
le uyisho engathi I will under witchcraft
nabo buthakathi sama
ingawela under witchcraft
mara kusubuthakathi
please comment and correct us ukuthi where does this thing follow iwela kuphi silungisa umsithi disable guys iwela kuphi lento eshoyo mina ngibone ngathi umntana
ulagana nje
ngibone ngathi umntana wakhe cha ngoba lento le i-trick tasayingithi nokungidida nami yabona ngoba le spam le ayifani nokuthi like example sabo bafowethu mina ngikhona ukuzalisa yabona wena kwamele ungizalisele yabona but at the end of the day umntana bambiza
ayibona le wena manje wena uyaqhubheka ukhuleka ukwenza ingane kodwa mofika kusangoma sakutshela ukuthi hayi man nginamakhathakhatha kanje nje futhi akusama sangoma nama certain churches they do that bayakwazi ukuclean bakushanga amatiya wakhona benengane so lo mntana wakho wale church na konje wale ti njengoba thi umntana ombiza
nalo yakushithi kuzoba umntana ti
washibona umntana ejoko umntana FG umntana tracker
yeah
ngwana TSS ngwana TSS
but I think mina labantu banosholo
nami nginashona ufuna siphushe isikhathi sivale wena umntwana wakho
ubona umntana manje
yena lo umphikayo uthi wena uyimithi umntwana wakho phela lesikhuluma ngaye ngithi umntwana wakho umntwana esangoma na umntwana wakho
ayanginamntana
awulibhali wena ngisho ukuthi lo mntana sikhuluma ngaye ngeexample lo mntana waye mina ngivuma ukuthi mntana hayi mina nginamntana
ngiyakuthola I guys, apologies to the camera guys. Namhlanje ngibeka intando yami. I don't know why ukuthi ihleli kahle. I know ukuthi
wena uzingayi space esibaya wona was guy space esikhulu
isincane I see my
ngazi ukuthi thobela
next time it will be pashash. But I am impressed about the I don't know about you. The lighting.
yeah hey sizothini ebantwini
Hey.
hey mara ke sound bayabona ukuthi ama mistake hoy mina ngisound
Yeah.
manezi sound nje ya play me mara bo camera abantu ngabona i-episode ingadithwanga kahle ngabona nje kunama something understand if akunama picture kuleyo episode ama videos pastanga or ayina ma cut vele straight nje the whole 1 hour
Ayabona ke lapha cha udlala ngani impela yabona lapho dlala ngani impela manje ufuna ukublame umuntu
yeah so since ngi topic e1 vandaka
lo
ubani it's fine ono kanti ngakicitha isikhathi ngoba phela ngiyama phela sikhuluma ngama topic ayi3 awu ayi2 wami e1 yawo
uyabona futhi mina ngokuya ngami mkanoma kube sivele sakhuluma ngale topic e1 yakho nje kuphela
le sex phela ngicala ngaleyo court sabuya ngaleyo mfana ukuthi ntshontsha amakhosi oh sicale ngentsangu mara intsangu bokungasiphathe topic
sure
intsangu icale nje angazi icale kanjani
but is part of topic because we were learning yabona
intsangu
yeah we were learning angithi manje abantu sebayazi ukuthi intsangu iyahilisa spiritually izinto ezikanjani
yabona intsangu
ana bengazi seriously le conversation le ingibuildile nami sengiyazi like
ama sibale kule company yentsango lapha elisayo kusiyelesifana bathini la yo la kasene ngikhohlile bengisebenza khona man opposite ne company yakhona yentsango angazi bathi bayipackage ba export yeGepini America France Mexico Mozambique hayi
okay kube
Russia hayi Jamaica bane yawo
okay
Australia
yeah
what the Uruguay
Uruguay
yeah Argentina
Argentina
yeah Spain Brazil Asival yeah
oh so
akutala skills khathele
ngitshela ukuthi zonke le ndawo ezibizile
intsangu
lama direction okhona lawa yiwo
iBrazil le angithi Brazil
so ngibone ngathi iMaputo uyijike wathi engathi bofuna ukukhomba ngani
kuphi
ngale
ikuphi kana eMaputo
angazi ngifuna ukubuza wena
uMaputo angithi next to Limpopo eZimbabwe Limpopo eZimbabwe iZimbabwe iMaputo
ayikho next to Eswatini Swaziland
mara Swaziland phela ingaphakathi yazi map eSouth Africa iSwaziland ingaphakathi kwalento leya bese kuba iSwaziland la angazi kwaba yindebele watwati bese le phezulu Limpopo uthi Zimbabwe uthi Mozambique
then elentuzane la phansi nyana ne
le Limpopo nyana ela phansi la iSwaziland leya kune iSwaziland
then Maputo kuphi
iMaputo ngaphansi phezulu kweLimpopo eZimbabwe ngayi
yazi wayengibuza kaya ngithi mama ku bathi mawaye lentuzane eMaputo before uyofika egate kune off ramp yeSwaziland
indlela ngithi manje
so I thought angithi mina encondweni yami I thought ukuthi ngathi like
ubheka imoto bonga ngingcondo yakho ingcondo yakho ayazi mina Anizona kabantu ni umuntu ubheka iGPS uyivalile lapha uthi uya ngingcondo yakhe
mfetwa angithi izinto
ubheka la map le yane ubheka abantu base Nigeria Malawi
sure
Ethiopia
sure
ukuthi labantu ukuthi bona bangaza ngayina Nigeria asibali labantu abiyafere uzebona ukuthi Nigeria nemalawi uzifere nemapiti sibara bafikile
yeah but where is China
awa hayi China ikude futhi China
yabona but uyazi these foreign brothers of ours abaphuma Zimbabwe Maputo Malawi laba abala mabangazitreat as ama-Chinese ngithola izinto ezikanjani now ama-Chinese is not ukuthi awekho ngapha akhona but ngeke uzwe abantu bathi ama-Chinese this ama-Chinese that
do you know why ungakhokhe ukuthi ama-Chinese they are allowed in every country don't forget that that's why kune China City in every country Nigeria America kune China City sine China City la midrand yazi China City kun amakulo rina amaSomalian I think nabo that's why kunama building yebo le building le yala this camp akusila eSouth Africa kuphela kunamanye ama country khona lama building la kubonisa ukuthi nabo bakhona la so some other peoples they are allowed through business abayiletha in your country. China is so huge. China mangathi yavala so yazivala sonke kusho ukuthi sonke siyovala. Ngisho Nigeria Trump kanje ayichabi yayisabi China. Because they manage ukuthi bona bazibambe
America king not Nigeria.
America ngithe Nigeria. Nigeria. America isabi China. Yazi ukuthi technology angadazi bale makancane. Because kunala Trump ubathu bano lo muntu nomnikazi we TikTok bekajida Trump athi uTrump athi ayisafuneki iTikTok eChina bazenzele enye app yabo bathi ready already they was using even people who are in America they were using that app already eChina sibali lento ezisebenzisa le yenza umuntu eChina we5 years sibali
net
oh ila mani imali bawadlayi labantu ngeke ingwenye bathi umuntu ingwenye kunomuntu bathi ukhe wanyamalala kuphi hamba namanzi ngemoto umnikazi oyiphaza naye lo muntu lo businessman adliwa ingwenye sho ukuthi mama bothi kunama floods ahamba nalamanzi lawa kusho ukuthi adliwa ingwenye
lezo story lesasicala kunomunye futhi bakhe emakhanga yokho wadla ingwenye inyawo lonke like so yamsha inyawo laphuma lonke
yena bakayaphi
like yabona emakhaya nemimfuda izinto zengwenye inkinga lawo lokuyakale
yazi lelo kuyamanga cabanga lento ngicabangayo ngapho ngizokutshela after podcast hayi la ngicabanga ukuthi hey Shoot vele se serious ngale 1 hour 30 minutes.
Mfethu.
Asibaleni madoda kufana.
Hey.
Yeah,
Ngoba sesigcine safuna ukuphuma elayinini.
Hey. Mara yena umlumile sembathu bangaze mbale. Kunomunye naye bathi umfundisi bekayethandazela abantu bahamba namanzi. Why labafundisi laba bathandazela abantu bahamba namanzi mara abafundisi bona baya survive.
Ikuku hey.
Bathe Mbalenke.
Embalenhle.
Kuphi Mbalenke? Impumalanga.
Is so phela le hey nawo labafundisi laba angazi ukuthi banani engaka mngani wami ane but somehow
Impumalanga. Le crocodile Impumalanga. Hey.
Crocodile. Nayi udliwe crocodile.
Lwase le crocodile leyo ngithi umuntu ukhafule crocodile.
Imkhafulile.
Ayimkhafulanga mani bamthele phakathi kwayo kanti nami ngithini hey isikhathele. Hawa.
Imenze njani like bese ishonile crocodile
mangabe ubonete way khipa ngakhona la wayikhiphe ngehelicopter ehlathini shothi la uthi ngehelicopter ngale ntambo le yafike fast and then helicopter khuphuka wafika lapha mabayihlinza
waphuma umuntu
okay komunye doctor naye we16 something years naye batho rape patient amanye ama topic I think maybe Tuesday sizo podcast njengoba udose nashilo so podcast la next week so save it next week
hey kayizwa leyo
wona uhlezi uyizwi
phila yini
wakungiza ngithi next week
sekulate sebayangifonela nokungifonela sekulate hello
bavekela speaker obatshela kuba ko live bazozizwa
nabuya naye tiselokushuta nabuya naye
bekele
nabuya naye tiselokushuta azivale labangibiza nabuya
wow siselefoni ku mic bu wala mina ngikhathela hayi raza lapho isho we pu
ra so qedila ngithi kanti
fulele abaphethe babaya mina ngikhathela
love you guys love you
kuri nkele mpotse mmo o motswala lena ba foreng ga botse le tlhaka ka magara ga manyalo nka re nkele mpotse gore go ngwale mosadi ya gago a fogo go tswalela le ka bashimanyana mo pele ga mahlo a gago go motswala go ba mo lebeletšile ba tseba ga botse gore le ga re o tla mahunkwa gae ba tswa gore o bile wa sepela o tlo fetsa ebile a tswile le ana a rekiša go dipafana ape ka gore ga a kgethe ka gore a kgethe le ana makula e šita a re ra se batho nne ke no ra gore mosadi e ka gore le motse ba ga botse gore ke mogatša a buti ya lena le tlo motlogela ga botse a senyetša e a buti ya lena motse lena le di-cousin la fo gomala re tula rawa motswala o mo kgethile a morata o ba motse ba ga botse gore ke chipi ke ntho e boima wa therenta le jutši nna a ke le kwešiši ga re betšešo gore a o ka tlogela motswala go a hlaka a sokola gona ke gore a re a sa tswile a sa re koetela mmangwane Jamestown wena o sepele o etelele motswalago a tla fa makala e mogatšago a tlolowa bana ba ke bana ba borena ba re puša bohloko ka kudu le bapala ka bona bapala ka kgekedi tša rena mane I fuck off a wa fuck off ang man aga man kore eme le ka le liriago le gona ebile ga le sauta le fo le riela gana mo pele ga bana ba le gana mo pele ga monne o ra ke re wena go foswana o foria ka tee ko mo awa wele o lata bashimanyana ba le bananyana ba le gore ba tla ba telele e motswalago a ke le botšeng a ke nyako a ke senyi o ba ke ena ke boleša ke go pherekana retse mara a wa bo motswala le tshedi ya mmere kwa lenane a wa le tshedi ya mmere kwa lena gore gone bole ke tle ke bule ka mo teng ga lapa ke itlalo mogala jwa ka mo lapeng le a ntlhakiša ruri ko mokana ebile ba fetse mogala jwe a fo tšola metlwelo ya gagwe mentšhintšhi ya go fele ya go se fele ko mokana ke tlhokelege ka ba puluma motswala ke o ntebeletše o re wa nthata ko mokana ga go ne le mahu ke nna ele ke bophela go ba rawa mofente thirantane ya go namela aowa na e le nna motswala go wa monna ye ke tloga ke go rekela le outfit ya ba re gomme go tla go re ya lehungu mamang o tlhokofetse ke tse ke fotse gore motswala ke tinisie e le boleje o apara size 38 ko fotla ke tse rokwana le setara sa size 5 le le phephana ke re tšea diaparo shiji ka la bahlano gape le re tlo re ya go reka di ice bana ba bapala ka rena man tlo bapala ka ngwana batho a ba hloka lo noroko dipoti di tlerogane tse ka moka ka mo wa forogela wa theogela wa hlatswa wa cleana o dira mehlole ka moka go go ra gone ka nna go sa belega o sa go belegela bana wanna ke be ke re go motswela rena ba re goleng a wa ba re ntšhi ka mo teng ga malapa o fo re fathabole a wa ba refe re ka hlake re ne bana ba bona nkeng ka rebele gore noši a rabele go re nošine motswala tshwanetse o fotse re ke ena motswala